Let us set up your store and get you logged in for the first time. In this video, you will register your shop and create your owner account. The first time you open GOF POS, it asks you to register your store. Enter your store details and create your owner account. Your owner account is the main account that controls everything. When you register, you start with a free trial with full access. This lets you explore every feature before you decide anything. Take your time and try each part of the system during the trial. After registering, you move to the login screen. You can log in with either your email address or your username. Type your email or username, then enter your password to sign in. Owners and admins land straight on the dashboard after login. Staff members land directly on the sales screen, ready to sell. This keeps each person focused on the tools they need. Forgot your password? No problem, you can recover it easily. GOF POS sends a one-time code to your email address. Enter that code, then set a new password and log back in. Now your store is created and your account is ready to use. In the next video, we will set up your store profile and logo.